Hi everyone, in this video I show you how to download and install Windows Server 2025. Open your favorite browser, type here Windows Server 2025 download, hit enter, open this first link, scroll down, here is get started for free, download the ISO, click here. Scroll down, you need to complete this form. When you complete this form, make sure to check this too. Click on download. Here is ISO for different language like United States, Chinese and extra. Choose your language, then click on 64-bit edition. It is start, but I have already downloaded. Close your browser, open your VMware Workstation. If you don't have already installed VMware Workstation, I have one video for installing VMware Workstation Pro for free. I will share this video in the description. Watch this video. Click on create new virtual machine. Make sure to select custom because we don't have a Windows 11 2025 on the list. You should select custom, click on next, again next, select your ISO, click on browse, check this ISO, click on browse. We download Windows Server 2025 on download folder, select open, next. Here select other because we don't have Windows Server 2025. Here is just 2022. Select other. Here again choose other. Click on next. Write one name here. I want to write here server 2025. The location is by default on document on the virtual machine. It is okay. Click on next. Select your processor. I want to select 4 processor. 2 is also enough. Click on next. Make sure to select minimum 2 GB, but I want to select 7 GB. Click on next, next, next. Leave everything as default. Next, next. Here select store virtual disk as single file. We need at least 50 or 60 gig. Click on next, next, finish. Click in this power on or this blue button. I want to click here. The installation is start. Load the files. Select your language. Click on next. Keyword. Select your keyboard. I want to select United States. Click on next. Make sure to select I agree. Click on next. Select your operating system. The first one is standard, the second one is standard desktop. I recommend to install the second one, desktop. Click on next, agree. Here click on next, wait, install. It will take a few moments to install all the files. Guys, in this step, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content like this. If you get any error during the installation, just right click on Windows Server, then power off your system, again power on. In this step, username is by default administrator. Enter your password. Repeat your password. Click on finish. Now here ask you press Ctrl plus Alt plus delete. Click here. In this icon is Ctrl Alt delete. Enter your password. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good day.